Okay, we're starting our fishing journey. We're in the motorhome. We got a lot of stuff, all the fishing gear. Take a quick little view outside. There's the boat. Majestic. Heading down the highway.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi, future ourselves.
Let's go.
Here's our campsite. Cougar Creek. Just arrived.
That's enough.
Okay.
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. There he goes. Woo! Wee!
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. After that hot water.
There we go, we got one in the boat. Hello, Mr. Fish. Alright, here we go.
Here, Spence, let me see the net. You hold this. Okay, he's coming up front here. Rod the other way. Rod the other way.
Yeah, bring him out here. Got him.
Here we go. Okay.
One in the boat.
Yeah, got another one in the boat. Chilling after mornings of fishing.
Yeah, we be chilling.
This little campsite. You got focus back, go the other way. That's it. Yeah, turn your head. Swim right into the boat. Put her in here, or you might as well put your thing up.
Slimy guy.
Yeah, want me to walk on water?
Yeehaw!
The way. That's it. Pull them back towards you. That's it. Nope. Oh, okay. Woohoo!
Ready. John's. Well, these reels I don't need to comment, right?
No.
Wow, that's nice. Going towards us again.
Okay. Holy smokes. Just take your time with them, sweetie.
I know, I just don't want to give him any slack. Coming at you.
You can go over there if you want. There he goes.
Whoa! Wow, he's going deep, deep.
I need a net cam.
There he is. Mr. Spring!
Look at that beautiful big spring.
There.
Don't jump overboard. Are you gonna hug that baby?
Hey, hey! I got up at the crack of 8:30 for this baby.
Okay.
Cheers, thank you. Oh, to the captain. To my trusty guide. Thank
Nice
you,
fish.
Salmon.
Where are you going, Tiana?
Going to the river. Look, 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 look.
Hi, guys.
Get ready for a dip.
It's the hangout place for the dip.
Swim.
Is it nice water, do you think? I'm going in. Autocore crap.
1, 2, 3. You get it?
Mama, what you doing?
Setting up the painting station.
Painting
Arts and
station?
crafts.
And here's my fishing buddies. And oh, we got the fireball out. Why we got the fireball out now?
Well, what did we catch today?
We caught some fish?
Six fish today?
Oh,
Six
that's all you
shots.
can catch. 6 shots. He's gonna make up for it right now. 1,
No,
2,
that's good.
3. Tiana, your turn.
Here you go.
Gotta have your fireball.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Now it's my turn. Cheers.
I already
Captain.
did mine on the boat. Swiggin'.
Mmm.
Yum, Grandma's kisses.
Fishies.
Spencer, you're a monocolor kind of painter or what? Yeah, what's that texture you putting on
I
that?
don't want to give away what it's gonna be yet.
Oh,
but
it's going to be something?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's gonna be awesome. And prehistoric.
Oh, a little clue.
And quite a palette of paints you've got here, girls. Oh, look at this is a pro painter. Tiana, what are you making? You making a heart there? Put your hand back. That's a blob. Yes, you read.
It's a heart.
Oh, there's a heart in there.
Heart inside of a heart.
Heart and heart.
Heart.
Heartfelt.